Hi friends! Are you getting the errors 0x80004005 and 0x8004102A while syncing your Hotmail account with Outlook account? Let's go ahead and see how you can troubleshoot this issue. Open Outlook 2010. Click on the File tab. Under Account Information, click on Account Settings and then click on Account Settings. Select the email account that you want to remove and then click on Remove. To confirm removal of the account, click on Yes. Click on Close. Click on Start. In the Start search box, type %, user profile, %, \, local settings, \, application data, \, Microsoft, \, Outlook, and then press the Enter key. Delete the .ost files from the above location and then close the window. Now you have to install the latest version of Outlook Connector. To do so, open a web browser. Go to the office.microsoft.com webpage and then search for the Outlook Connector. Select the appropriate link and then follow the on-screen instructions to download and install Outlook Connector on your computer. Close the browser window and then close Outlook 2010. Now configure the account using Outlook Connector in Outlook. To do so, open Outlook again. Click the File tab and then under Account Information, click on Add Account. Select the radio button next to Manually Configure Server Settings or Additional Server Type and then click on Next. Select Other and then choose Microsoft Outlook Hotmail Connector from the list. Click on Next. Enter your name, email address, and password and then click on OK. To exit the Add New Account dialog box, click on Finish. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.